Welcome to Financial Freedom Hub. Today, we're diving into the 7 baby steps to financial freedom, a clear roadmap anyone can follow to go from broke to financially free. These aren't just theories. I'll show you exactly how to do it with practical examples you can start today. Let's get into it. Step 1. Save a starter emergency fund $1,000. Explanation. The first step is to build a small emergency cushion. Life happens, car breakdowns, medical bills, and sudden expenses. Instead of reaching for a credit card, you'll have quick cash. How to do it. Sell unused items online. Clothes, electronics, furniture. Cut one luxury like eating out for a month and stash that money. Side hustle, freelance online, do deliveries or short gigs. Practical example. Sarah sold old clothes and furniture on Facebook Marketplace and saved her first $1,000 in 3 weeks. Step 2. Pay off all debt, except the house. Using the debt snowball explanation, list your debts from smallest to largest. Pay minimums on all and throw every extra dollar at the smallest one. Once it's gone, roll that money into the next debt and so on. How to do it. Create a debt list, e.g., $300 credit card, $2,000 personal loan, $10,000 car loan. Pay off the $300 card first, then tackle the next. Every win builds momentum. Practical example. John paid off 4 debts in 18 months by focusing on one at a time and working extra shifts. Step 3. Build a fully funded emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. Explanation. Now that debts are gone, build security. A fully funded emergency fund prevents you from sliding back into debt. How to do it. Calculate monthly expenses, rent, food, utilities, insurance. Multiply by 3 to 6 to set your target. Save consistently. Automate transfers into a high-yield savings account. Practical example. Mary and Kwame saved $9,000 over 2 years, giving them peace of mind when Kwame lost his job temporarily. Step 4. Invest 15% of income for retirement. Explanation. Your future self deserves financial security. Investing ensures you can retire with dignity. How to do it. Start with employer retirement accounts, 401k, pension, SSNI Tier 3 in Ghana. Open an IRA, mutual fund, or index fund account. Consistently contribute 15% of income. Practical example. Kwesi, earning $2,000 monthly, invests $300 into a low-cost index fund. After 20 years, his account grows to over $200,000. Step 5. Save for your children's education. Explanation. Your kids graduate with a mountain of debt. Start small, start early. How to do it. Open a 529 plan, educational investment account, or local education fund. Save consistently. Even $50 a month grows over years. Practical example. Amma started saving $50 a month when her son was born. By age 18, she had $20,000 saved for his college. Step 6. Pay off your home early. Explanation. Imagine living without rent or a mortgage. Every dollar becomes wealth-building fuel. How to do it. Add 1 extra mortgage payment per year. Round up payments monthly. Apply bonuses or windfalls directly to your principal. Practical example. David and Essie paid off their 15-year mortgage in 10 years by adding extra payments from their side hustle. Visual prompt. A family holding keys in front of a paid-in-full house with confetti in the air. Step 7. Build wealth and give generously. Explanation. The ultimate step. Build assets, create generational wealth, and help others. How to do it. Invest in real estate, businesses, and diversified assets. Build passive income streams. Give back to charity, your church, or your community. Practical example. Ajamin built a real estate portfolio and funds a scholarship program in his community. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight, but with these 7 baby steps, it's not only possible, it's guaranteed if you stay disciplined. Which step are you on today? Drop it in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wealth-building strategies here on Financial Freedom Hub. Subscribe for weekly financial freedom tips. Financial Freedom Hub, your guide to financial freedom.